Okay, so who is absent today? Sino absent na ka? Okay, so isa kayo doon, mama. So before we proceed to our new lesson, I have pictures here and I want you to identify what are those, okay? What is that, class? Candle. Candle and light. And yes. This one is candle and this one is hand. Very good. Okay, so ano amoy yung topic tayo ng tapos na nakita yung ganito? About moonlight. Moonlight. Today is all about source of light. Okay, so it's not my birthday. Okay, so today we are going to tackle about source of light, and there is two types of light. So we have artificial and natural source of light. Okay, so but for now we are going first to tackle the artificial source of light. Okay. Okay, very good. So what is this, class? Candle. This is candle. Candle is one artificial source of light, and this source of light is made by humans. Okay, so tatlo ang purpose na ito iti-light, kailangan nyo nga paskudan na ito iti puspuro or lighter. You understand? Yes, ma'am. Okay, so another artificial source of light is, what is that, class? Yes, and what is? Bulb. Okay, so bulb is one artificial source of light, and it's also made by humans. Okay, so ang produce na ito iti light, so planta yung iti electric outlet. For example, this ilaw na ito, actually na ito na planta ito yun. Ilang aramid yung switch mo. Nag-produce iti light. Okay, did you understand, class?
Yes,
Okay, so let us now move on to the third artificial source of light. What is that, class? Ubing. Ha? Puslait? Dito yung nobilin ka? Light. Ay, Zen, yung tiyawag yung puslait? Okay, dito yung flashlight. Okay, so flashlight is one artificial source of light also, and this is made by humans. And this is not a natural, but a artificial source of light. Okay, so pag-purpose na ito yung light, kailangan kayo nga mag-usap iti batteries, tapos na mag-susunod iti light. Nakikita kayo ba iti flashlight? Sunglass. Sun, yes. This one is sun. And then, sunglass. Nabigsa sa init na. Sumabot sa native. Sunglass. Okay, so, sun is natural source of light and not a artificial source of light. Okay, so according to the Bible, that sun is yes. According to the Bible, that the sun is made by God and not a artificial source of light. Okay, so that is a natural source of light. As now proceed to second natural source of light. Gusto niyo pakikita yung class? Bird. Yan ito yung liwan. Yes, very good, liwan. That is a moon. This one is a artificial. This is a natural source of light. Okay, so usaron nyo na ito yung ay, ma'am, mausar na ito. Sorry, wrong date na na.
Late ka on dyan.
Why are you late? Jan? Good? Okay, so mausar na ito yung Rabi. Okay? So, we can mag-produce na ito in light, no? Night time. Okay, so you can understand glass?
Yes.
Okay, so let us now move on. Ha? Nilagyan awal timon. Apay na awal tinagitang magdinirong warang nilagyan at damot timon. Ay, awal mo ba? Ay, kasabali ka Maan, agad timon, baka nakakatulong siguro, Charlie.
Ma'am, nalindan.
Ay, well, baka siguro nalindan din yung ha? And this one is ha? Nilagay mo ang clouds. Baka nalindan ng clouds. Awag tibubong ka right na. Awag tibubong timon. Nakikita ka na tibubong timon, ayan. Awag tibubong timon. Okay, balay. Ha?
At balay na, ma'am.
Awag tibalay na na Korean.
Bye-bye sa doon.
Good. Okay, so now let us now proceed to the last natural source of light, which is what is that?
Stars.
Yes, that is a stars. And this stars are the natural source of light and not made by human.
Bahan na magsagawan tilubong.
Ha? Haan, silawan na tinubog na ito yung lumarabigi.
Ma'am, mas naman na ispuan tayo.
Apa yang kamu yang ispuan? Or
Buya.
ay, balik ini mama nabati ang buy-buy iti kwan ispuan what? That is for adult only. Yes. Why are you watching ano?
Okay, so yan na.
Ball. At first, ito yung lights ko. Gravity. Okay, so ano pa yung mo yung source of light? Ay, natural source of light. Forest fire. Ha? Forest. Natural source of light. Si Mama. Artificial light ay pagbaga.
Mami,
Ay, ni Mama pili ko ah?
Yes.
Ay,
Ilaw na tahanan.
Sa bali kay mother na ilaw na tahanan sa ukay. Source of light namin. Sama kayo. Why are you late then? You're always late. You're always coming late. Why are you always late? Ay, started. Okay, so did you understand my topic?
Yes.
Okay, so very good. Did you understand my lesson? Okay, so
Jennifer.
I'm Jennifer.
Mas lagawin na reflection ni
Jennifer. Dahil ko haan na artificial dahil ko This is a sun.
Flashlight na dayo.
Kaslalang ko.
Kaslalang ko ito adayo. Kung kailangan mo siya, ano may nakitaon. Para ito sun na ito, okay? So, ito yung natural source of light. Yes. So, nga, ibigay dapat na. Ayan na. Okay. So, dahil yung flashlight. Gusto ba? Yes. How about candle? Yes. How about this one? Wrong. Dahil ikot wrong na ito. Dapat na dahil ikot. Moon. And moon is? Artificial or natural? Kimberly?
Natural.
Yes. So, ano ba din? Haray ko. Ito'y ayan di natural. Ay. Moon. Sorry. Okay. So, next. Check ba rin ito inarapid yun? Ay, nag-face na rin Miss Baldo. Gusto ba rin ito eh? Anya nga baliktad. Anya rin ito eh? Anya rin ito eh? Yung stand up. Anya rin ito eh? Yes, this is artificial. What is this? Anya nga rin ito eh? Anya nga rin ito eh? Lagay na rin ito eh? So nga dapat dito yung client na. Okay, so this one guys, check pa rin ito eh? Okay, this one is... Okay, very good. Amin na. Okay, so did you understand our topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if you really understand our topic, tama na man gawin. You really understand our lesson. Apay nga ba diyo? Okay, so what is our topic today? Very good. And what are the two types of source of light? Kimberly, you stand up.
Artificial and natural.
Okay, very good. And can you give two can you give examples of artificial light? Rika? Okay, very good. How about natural source of light? Can you give some examples, Miss Corby? Yes. Natural. Okay, very good. So now, ang activity kayo. I'm ready for your individual activity. Okay, so
asawa ko sila. Then, tamagon si asawa ni Isra, saan ang tumingin sila? Tamagon si asawa ni Isra, saan ang tumingin sila? May lakay mo pa na.
Okay, so are you all done? Press all your papers na.
Last kita tuloy yung video. Last day yung video.
Did you pass all your papers? Wala ba yung tayo surat? Awanan? Okay, so for yours, I bring out your notebook and copy your assignment. Can you please read?
Draw one natural source of light and one artificial source of light in the lona paper.
Okay, so naman yung mga drawing, mabalik kayo magpasuro dyan, parents you or manang or manong you, okay?
Yes,
Okay, so that is for today. Can you please stand up, class? Goodbye, class.